Hello students, I am your course instructor Professor Anisa Shikalgar. In previous video we have started with the CNF, that is Chomsky normal form. So it is about our second example. The example is like this: convert the given CFG to CNF. So here context free grammar is given and the question is to convert that into the CNF. So in previous example we have seen the 4 steps how to convert CFG into CNF. So firstly we will start with the step number 1. So what is our step number 1? Recall students, it is removal of the null production. So what we are going to find here, any of the production includes the null. So here we can find that A produces null. So S produces small a, then small a, capital A and B. Write the productions as it is first, and then A, it produces null, therefore instead of null, if I replace that A with null, then again I will find only single A which is present over here. So not necessary to write again. Okay, then capital A produces small a, B, B. Then next is the capital B produces capital A, small a and B. So here capital A, if I replace with null, then I obtain a new production which is small a. So here it is our step number 1 after removal of the null production. Then what is our second step student? Here removal of the unit production. So what is unit production? Unit means single non-terminal. So try to find where single non-terminal is present. So here single non-terminal is present. So that all B part we are going to replace by that, because B produces these 3 production which we are going to add on that particular part. So here S produces small a, capital A, and B is now replacing by that part, that is capital A, small a, again small b and A. Next is the capital A produces A, B, B, and capital B produces, right as it is, B and A. It is our step number 2. Now what is our step number 3? Here restricting right side of the production. Right side of the production we are going to restrict to single terminal, means single terminals are present, then keep it is as it is, or string of 2 or more variables. So here whatever the single terminals are there, that we are going to keep as it is, and whatever remaining terminals which present with the non-terminal, that we are going to replace. So XA produces small a and XB produces small b. So here S produces single terminal, here we are keeping as it is, here string is present, therefore we are replacing XA, capital A, then here again it is the capital A, XA, then both are the single terminals, so keep as it is. Capital A produces, now A will be replaced by XA, B, B. Capital B produces A, XA, and both keep as it is. Now the last step of the CNF, that is step number 4, in which we are going to replace the things what we are going to means what is necessary to be converted into the CNF form. So here see students, S produces small a, so it is already in the CNF, form. So S are having all the terms of the CNF. So it is not necessary to replace, we can write all the terms as it is A, or here 2 non-terminals are present, again here 2 non-terminals are present, single terminal and single terminal, means all the 5 productions are of the CNF. So here A produces XABB, 3 non-terminals are present, therefore XB, capital B produces T. We are going to consider that production and we are again rewriting the production as A produces TB. Now that production is in the CNF form. Then B produces AXA, two non-terminals, single terminal and single terminal, means it is in the CNF form. AXA, small b, small a. So if we observe the production of S, now in the CNF, the productions of A, CNF, the productions of B. Therefore, successfully we have converted the CFG into CNF. The question is given here, context free grammar, and we have applied the 4 steps, step 1, 2, 3 and 4, and finally we have converted the context free grammar into the Chomsky normal form. So in the next video we will see another example of the Chomsky normal form. Thank you, students.